Want to know exactly what to say at an American restaurant? Stay with me tonight. I'll show you everything. Today, I'm taking you with me to a restaurant. You'll learn the 20 essential phrases people actually use.
Welcome. Table for two, please.
Table for two, please. Even eating alone, you can say this if you're waiting for someone.
Do you have a reservation?
Yes, under Alex.
Here are the menus.
Thank you.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, we are. You say this even alone. It's automatic.
What would you like?
I'll have a burger.
Anything to drink?
Just water, please.
Would you like an appetizer?
Yes, garlic bread.
Anything else?
That's all, thank you. Repeat after me, out loud.
Enjoy your meal.
Thank you.
How's everything?
Everything's delicious. I love it. Can I get some ketchup?
Of course. Would you like dessert?
No thanks. No thanks. Can I have the bill, please?
Certainly. How would you like to pay?
By card, please.
Here's your receipt.
Thank you. See you again soon.
Looking forward to it.
A quick test. I'll show you a situation. Say the phrase out loud before I do. Thank you. Great job! Now you know exactly what to say, from walking in to walking out.
You now know the 20 essential restaurant phrases. Subscribe and tell me in the comments, which phrase will you use first?